Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a board in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, where we have our feed, where we can gather interesting ideas from. But we have to go into the saved menu. And here in the saved menu, from the pins part, we have to go into the boards part. We can either swipe right, or we can just tap on the board's title. Then in this part, we can tap on create a board. We can name the board, we can add collaborators, we can turn on visibility or turn it off so it remains private. And then after our board is created, let's say like this, we tap on create, then we can find some ideas and add some pins to our board. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.